Hey, all, it's just me, Linda, your CKD queen, right? Okay, so look, I have been talking to a lot of people lately, and they're all kind of saying the same thing. So I don't know if y'all are going to the same dialysis center, seeing the same dietitians, or what's going on. I'm not sure, but y'all are being given some super shitty advice. Okay, stop thinking that you can rely on antacids to bind your phosphorus. Okay. Antacids are calcium or aluminum based, and both will lead to health issues when they're used frequently or regularly. Truth. So unless you're somebody who medically has an issue where your body's holding on to excess phosphorus, like beyond the normal with CKD, then I just want to tell you that you actually don't need to use anything to bind your phosphorus. You actually don't need to. I explain the reasons and the truths in my program with this. The only time that you are going to want to use this is for those exceptions where you're going to go out to dinner with some friends. Maybe a birthday meal, barbecue, holiday meals. You're going to be indulging. Okay, fine. On those rare occasions, then you can go ahead. And honestly, you might need it for the heartburn or indigestion anyway, right? When you're indulging. So, never ever start using them on the regular. Here's why. You get side effects. Now, these are the basic side effects, that are standard. Every medicine and thing that we put in our body has some kind of side effect. So, constipation or diarrhea, gas, headache, nausea and vomiting, stomach cramps, or abdominal pain. Fun, right? Okay, but you know what? That's like the mild stuff. Let's get into this. The serious side effects. Antacids cause your body to actually produce more acid. Yep. Which can make symptoms worse. Antacids actually change the function of your nervous system. That doesn't sound so good, does it? Iron deficiency anemia can develop. And believe me, this is not something you want. The medical community is already struggling with treating this, and the outcomes are not good. It's a very difficult thing to manage. You don't want to get in this position. Osteopenia, which is weak bones, weak and brittle bones can occur. And hypercalcemia, where you have too much calcium in your blood, and that can contribute to the formation of, drum roll, kidney stones. You don't want to deal with that anyway. Do you want that pain? I certainly wouldn't want that. No. And last but not least, these antacids can interfere with how your body's absorbing other medications. So you're kind of, delivering a hit to some of the medications you're taking. They're suddenly not going to be absorbed all the way like they should be. Not good, right? So I guess I got to ask, do you really want to risk all of this? Do you want to add another health issue on top of the ones you already have? Right? The reality that you have to face is the only freaking way that you're going to manage your diet correctly is to do the work to make it happen. I cover everything, every single aspect of the kidney diet in my program. So stop, please, looking for ways to cut corners or to find workarounds. There aren't any that are going to not have consequences. So if you're willing to learn the truths about CKD eating, if you're not willing to learn the truths about CKD eating, and if you can't control your nutrients or frankly, you're just too dang lazy to learn how, then go to your doctor. Okay. Get the prescription for the nutrient binders that you need. Don't rely on the over-the-counter products that are going to harm you. And if you're one of those people that's just like, I don't want to go to my doctor. I don't want to be on another medication. I get it. I hate taking meds. So, if you're that person, then learn how to manage your diet. Period. Guys, I'm here telling you over and over again that I know what you need, and I want desperately to share it with you. So why do you feel you need to waste time and risk your health instead of taking a little bit of time right now and learning the truth and learning how to manage your diet? I don't understand why. I really, really don't. So, it's up to you. You get to make that choice if you want to continue to harm your kidneys, harm yourself. I can't make things any easier. I've tried. Y'all wanted books. I did that. I did it for you. I've even slashed the prices in half. And let me tell you that even when you buy both those books, it's cheaper than a visit to a dietitian. And sadly, this advice that people have been telling me about this, just take some, antacids. This advice has been coming from some of their dietitians. I can't even. It makes me really furious, because if a dietitian is saying something like that, or a nutritionist is saying something like that to you, they're just simply not willing to show you what you do need to know to manage this diet. Period. That's what it comes down to. They're just not even willing to show you. Call them on it. I say call them on it. Anyways, here's, like I said, you guys have to learn it. There's no other way around. And it's not something quick, short, easy, one post, here it is, this is how you do it. It is a process you must follow. You have to follow this process because it builds on top of each other, and you just continue and you learn it. And you're going to come out the other side of this living the CKD dream. I promise you. I guarantee I can help you, but I can help you clear up all of this, but it's up to you. So I am going to leave that on your plate. All right. If you are interested, if you're just like, yeah, I just want the answers, I'm like, you know what to do. Howtoeatforckd.com. Right?